welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me, Rochelle Loca, and kung bago ka lang sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Yung mga challenge na gusto mo ipagawa sa akin, just comment down below. As you can see, medyo pagawa ko, pero mamaya guys, is mag-host ako sa Jolly Waves kasi kinuha ko at hindi ko alam kung, sabi nila 7 PM yung start, pero hindi ko alam kung anong oras matatapos. Pero nag-chat ako kanina, ang sabi niya is countdown. So 1 PM ako doon at guys, hindi ako mag-New Year o magbabagong taon with my family. So, magpapaalam muna ako bago ako malis and let's go. Paalam muna tayo before we leave. Apa bless. And Happy New Year. Bye-bye. Oh, wag mo titikit na basa. Bye-bye. Yes, guys, I'm back again. So, kasama ko na si Kuya. Hi, Kuya.
Hello.
So, nakasakay po kami sa sasakyan ng Jolly Waves. Napakayaman ng Jolly Waves talaga. At pansin nyo naman, talagang pagaw ako kasi may sakit ako eh. Yes guys, we're here! And nakikita ko na yung bike na gagawin natin bukas. So ayan, nandito na tayo. Yan, hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta pero nag-una-una ako feeling. So, may bodyguard pa. Ay, may bodyguard, may guard. So, let's go. Good afternoon po.
Gusto hanapin nyo si ma'am. Pasamahan nyo si ma'am.
Sige po. Thank you. Guys, kita nyo naman, napaka-approachable ng mga taga-Jolly Waves. Jolly Waves. Good afternoon po. Hi! Hello po! Sama kayo sa vlog. Thank you po. Hi! Hello po!
Kayo host natin.
Okay. Welcome to my office. Hello po. Paano? So, see you na lang later kapag mag-base na kami or tapos ako mag-base para mag-host. So, bye-bye! What's up? Whew. Guys, I have a good news. But before that, katatapos naman po namin kumain and napaisip po yung manager ng resort na to na bigyan ako ng isang room kasi habang wala pa naman tao, kailangan ko daw muna magpahinga kasi medyo maaga ako nakarating dito para mag-isip ng mga games na pwedeng ipalaro sa mga bisita nila. So, andito po tayo sa isang room. Naghihintay muna tayo. And guys, kanina kinausap ko siya, yung manager, kinausap ko siya about the time, about oras na kailangan kong nandito. Sabi naman niya, 10, okay na. So, depende na lang sa akin kung titigil ako at makikisaya sa mga fireworks na meron sila. So, syempre, kahit masaya dito, guys, mas masaya kapag kasama ang family kahit wala kaming makapaputok. Basta sama-sama kaming kumakain. Alam yun. So, I choose my family. And guys, my mom, my father, my sisters, and my baby, hindi nila alam na uuwi ako. And napaisip ako na umuwi ako ng 11 PM before mag 12 AM. Of course. Para naman maisip, kasi ang buong alam nila talaga, hindi na ako kasama sa kanyang celebration ng New Year. Siguro makakasama ko sa morning, pero alam niyo yung pagbungad ng 2020, 12 AM, hindi nila ako makakasama. But the truth is makakasama nila ako kasi uuwi talaga ako, guys. Kasi ginawan ko talaga ng paraan, kinausap ko yung manager para please pagbigyan ako.
A few moments later.
Sarap patulog. Hey guys! Yes, I'm back. So, as you can see, nag-change na ako ng outfit. Yan, ang outfit na to guys is kay Kuya Kim or Sir Kim Bolos, and yung heels guys provided ni Mr. Justin Alvarez. Thank you so much Kuya Jasa. I miss you so much and Happy New Year sa'yo at saka sa kapatid ko. I love you so much. So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-countdown, so 1 PM talaga kami dito. Pero sana gagawin ko talaga lahat para matapos to ng maaga. Para makasama yung family ko. Kasi guys, ayoko matulad sa mga taong nandito. Yung mga staff dito, nagtatrabaho sila kahit mag-New Year na. 12 AM, may work sila. At sasalubungin nila yung 2020 na ang kasama nila is trabaho. Sobrang sad. And I don't want to be like them, guys. Gusto ko naman syempre makasama yung family ko. And I want to spend a lot of my time with my family, of course. And after nito, guys, pipilitin ko talaga makauwi. Promise. And hanggang ngayon, hindi pa kami nag-start. Pero sabi nila 8:30 daw and 8:50 na. So, 15 minutes left. And ready naman ako. At hindi ko lang talaga alam kung ano yung mga sasabihin ko. Kasi, guys, ang lahat ng ito ay walang script. Ang lahat ng ito ay on the spot. So, hindi ko po alam kung anong sasabihin ko. Basta ang alam ko lang is belated Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Yun lang. Nice one. Guys. Dito ako mag-New Year. Magdumating kasing staff dito kanina. And sabi nila, ang gagawin ko daw mamaya, mag-i-invite ako 2 minutes before 12 AM. Kala ko makakauwi na ako eh. Kasi sabi ni manager kanina. But it's okay. But, no. Ay, nako guys. I'm so sad. I am really I'm really sad. I'm so sad, but let's do this. We're going to start. Kailangan ko na lang i-enjoy kung ano ang gagawin ko ngayon. Enjoy na lang.
For a boat party.
Yes, we have
Happening
boat
tonight for the New
party.
Year's countdown. And also happening by the bar.
Hey, everyone!
There's Mural Pong.
Yes.
We're gonna
So,
do the
makita
countdown
nyo,
with
guys.
DJ
So,
Allen and
dito
yours
tayo sa
truly,
unahan.
MC Jada on the mic.
And hindi ko alam kung
Please stand by and join us at the wave pool.
Celebrate the New Year alone! 2, 1! Yay, guys! Let's go!
Cause you will lose, yeah.
Bukas pala yung paluga ko! Ay, sobra pressure! Kasi alam niyo yung katabi ko, hindi siya basta-basta. Alam ko, hindi nila ako naririnig. Kaya okay lang magsalita ng ganito. Saka guys, alam niyo, salita ako ng salita kanina. Putik, bukas pala yung mic. Oh my God, kinakausip ko kayo bukas yung mic, nakakaya. Pero hindi ko alam kung narinig nila. Pero nahihiya talaga ako sa kanila kasi sobrang lalaking tao nila dito. Yes, hindi sila basta-basta. Kaya hindi ko alam, ang pangit ko. But it's okay. Oh, let's enjoy the New Year alone. Bye! Let's go! Woo! Yes! Woo! Everyone! Guys, let's go! Woo! Here! Picture, let's take a photo!
Come on, party to the ground.
That's bad, like a boom, 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 boom.
I want to hear it louder. Yeah. We're gonna count Right, last 52 seconds. Everyone, come over on the wave pool and near the stage, water park and resort.
We have 30! Let's all count! 25! 23! 21! 20! 19! Everybody! 15! 14! 13! 11!
All right, I want to hear everyone count down.
8! 6!
5, 4,
3! 2! 1! Happy New Year! I just want to say happy New Year, everyone. God bless us, and I am pretty sure that God will surely bless us. Happy New Year, everyone. I'm alone, but I am happy because I'm with all of these people. Yes, thank you guys, and see you later kapag uuwi na ako. Kasi guys, gusto ko na umuwi ngayon at hinahanap ko na si Kuya Chris para makauwi ako at makaabot ako sa New Year. 1 ng umaga or 1 a.m. in the morning ng 2020. Guys, I am so happy, but you know, alam niyo yung may kulang. Pero, uuwi ako agad, promise, and I will spend a lot of time with my family. So, bye-bye! See you mother, see you father, and see you my family. Bye! Beautiful. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Grabe. Guys, so I'm here. I'm home. I'm so excited to see my family. Oh my God. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! God-bless ulit na eh. Pagaw na ako eh. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Mommy! I'm home! Guys, bye-bye muna. Kakain muna ako ha. Bye-bye! Back again. Guys, alam niyo sobrang happy ako kasi yung ate ko masaya kasi inulan kami and my father is nandun sa kabilang side and nakita ko sa kanya mata, hindi man niya sabihin na masaya siya, kita ko na masaya siya and I am so happy na napapasaya ko sila kasi para sa akin yun yung pinakang magandang regalo ni God for me. Mapangiti ko sila and that's it and bye for now guys kasi medyo malakas ang ulan and gusto ko na rin talaga maligo at basa na rin yung gamit ko pang vlog. Bye-bye! Ayan. Ha? Kita niyo yan? Ha? Sorry. I have mother and father. Yes. Hi! Woo! Ma, hi! Hi! Yes. Woo. Everyone. Oh my God! Baka malaglag cellphone ko. Wala akong makita. Ah! Picture tayo. 1, 2. That's it. Woo! Ano yung picture tayo, tatla?
Picture.
Tayo, picture. Guys, we're done. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I am so happy and glad to celebrate my new year na kasama ang Jolly Waves and of course my family. Sobrang saya. Sulit na sulit, guys. Sana ganun din kayo. Happy ako, and thank you guys for being part of my 2019. Thank you so much for being part of 2019. Yes, guys. I just want to say thank you very much sa lahat ng sumusupport sa akin. And sana wag ka manawa. And I will do my best and I will do anything para magkasama pa rin tayo sa 2020, 2020, 2020, 2030 and pataas. So, magkakasama tayong tatanda. I hope so. And guys, again, thank you so much for watching. Kung bago ka lamang po sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Those challenges that you want me to do, just comment down below. And pagbibigyan kita soon, I promise. And guys, thank you so much dun sa mga nagpapa-shoutout, guys. Hindi ko muna kayo mababanggit kasi alam niyo naman, nakahiga muna si Bakla. Yan, nakahiga ako, nagpapahinga kasama yung aking aso named Ormy. So guys, thank you again. God bless you, guys. Inuulit ko, thank you for being part of my 2019. God bless you. See you when I see you. Guys, I love you. Bye!